Hello friends, today we shall discuss angle sum property of a triangle, right? Angle sum property of a triangle. Here, if we add all the angles of this triangle, angle 1, angle 2 plus angle 3 will get 180 degree. Here also in this case, if we add all the angles, that is angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 will get 180 degree. In this case also, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 will get 180 degree, right? Now here you see that here, what is that statement? The total measure of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree, right? This can be proved also, right? To justify, let us use the exterior angle of a angle property of a triangle, right? Here you see this one, here, right? Here you see that is what is given. We will prove this one, that the total measure of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. To justify this, let us use the exterior angle property of a triangle. Here it is given that angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 are angles of triangle ABC. This you see this one, right? But the justification is angle 1 plus angle 2. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 4 by exterior angle property. And here you see that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 4 plus angle 3, adding angle 3 on both sides, right? But angle 4 plus angle 3 form a linear pair, that is 180 angle 4 plus angle 3 linear pair. This linear pair means 180 degree, right? Form a linear pair, so it is 180 degree. Therefore, you can say that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree, right? Let us see how we can use this property in a number of ways, right? Here to remember this, that the total measure of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree, right? Now we'll use this property in the exercises 6.3. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.